and this 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty SEMA build could be yours. What's going on, guys? It's Dustin with Custom Offsets. We're bringing you a little different video today. So we get asked all the time what it's actually like to work at Custom Offsets and what it would be like to go through the day-to-day here at Custom Offsets. So we thought, what a better way to do that than with a vlog. So you guys are gonna hang out with me all day. We're gonna take you through a normal day at Custom Offsets here, kind of go through some things. And as you can see, we are starting right at my house. So there's the Duramax. That's my house right there. I'm actually, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm not even wearing shoes yet. I just came out. We're gonna start the truck here quick. I just got up, got ready to go. It's a little after 7 a.m. So start the truck, let it run for a couple minutes because I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see my breath this morning. It's starting to get cold up here in Wisconsin. So we're gonna start the truck up. I'm gonna head inside, put my, my boots on, and then we're gonna head to work. Switch hands here. Unlock the door so we don't get locked out. So Lucy, leave that alone.
You can see the ear.
Yeah, you can just see his ear poking in. Lucy, leave it alone. Look at that wonderful morning Wisconsin lighting here in the fall. So a couple things we should cover here this morning. It's gonna be a pretty busy day. I'm getting ready to go. I'm hauling a couple cars down to Slammed Enough Gatlinburg here for Alex and the rest of the FI guys over there. So trying to get ahead for that at work, obviously. So we've got like 6 videos to film today, which is a lot. So yeah, we got to get through that today. I've also got a couple meetings that we'll have to go to. I'll bring you guys along for those. We're gonna take the giveaway truck out a little later, shoot some content on that. Super excited, we just finished that up a couple days ago. If you need wheels, tires, or suspension, or performance parts, or bumpers, or headlights and taillights, or pretty much anything else for your truck, we have those all at customoffsets.com. But my God, is it beautiful out here this morning. Weather's nice, you can't beat it. Oh, we just lost the microphone, so that was some fun. Yes, the motherland. First one here means that I get the best parking spot. Let's go make some magic happen. Listen, before we can even get started this morning, there's one very, very important thing we need. Coffee. Fancy dancy measuring scoop here. And let there be light. Sweet, so this is the home of Custom Offsets. This is just Custom Offsets in here. So we've got social media, videographers, a couple graphic designers, ops lead, creative lead, and of course my desk, which is a disaster. So I'm gonna clean that up for a second and then we'll do some emails. I'm dripping coffee everywhere. What does that? There's gonna be a tractor at SEMA. My life is complete. I'm ready to go. This is all of the years of hard work coming together, and I'm very excited. Hold on, I just paused the camera, but they have a render of it. Yes, I want to see it. Yeah. Oh baby, let's go. I cannot wait to see this thing. All right, so it is movie time. So we got Ryan set up over here. He's got the camera all set up. We got the big light going on. Because like I said, we have like 6 videos to film today, so quite a bit to go. But yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. The 80s brought with it a lot of change to vehicles, all the way a whole truck. And it's not just like a regular pickup truck. Now we have Parker. Parker's gonna film another video with me, so it's gonna be great. This is number 2, well technically 2.5 for the day, so 3 maybe? I don't know. General Motors, one of the best, so they approached me and they were like, hey man, do you think you could maybe like set a land speed record in our new car? That'd be pretty cool. Now Gail, being a natural hot rodder by nature, of course accepted. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, this is how we warm up for scripts. We just talk about, or talking random accents. Oh baby, I'm excited for this one. Fire, delicious, and they slap with the marinara sauce. All right, roll the film, let's do this. Hunter up here, putting in work, taking care of customers at Offset's Garage.
Oh wait, hold up. So they're editing your videos for you like on the side or what?
No, Hunter, this is for Custom Offsets.
CEO's starting to vlog now?
Yeah, we're showing people behind the scenes of Custom Offsets.
Oh, hell.
Yeah. Wait, now that we're getting through that, so behind this door right here is going on the team meeting. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek right here. So there's a lot of people in there. I can't take you guys with me for that, but we're all done filming. We're gonna go do a couple of team meetings, and then about 11 o'clock we'll catch back up and go from there. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Why?
Because. Smile. He's really loud. Hey, shut up! I'm trying to make a vlog here. At this Bronco, the nicest looks. It's too bad that it can't do a burnout, as we found out. But it's cool. I'm not mad. Just really, really disappointed. So in an effort to show you guys behind the scenes, here's something that's really fun that I don't think a lot of people know. That is actually the home of Fitment Industries. So they're right across the street from us, which is pretty cool. And also, it makes making collab content with them really, really easy because we can just vibe and hang out and make cool videos like the one Dakota and I did the other day. Now listen, here's one of the things that no one tells you about when you start vlogging, right? How in the world are you supposed to carry your lunch back inside and open the door at the same time? It's actually a little bit ridiculous, but we'll figure it out. Right now, I'm about to jump into this conference room because I actually have a call with Paul and the guys over at Duramax Tuner. So we're talking about potentially getting together on the podcast. So we're gonna jump on a call here quick, chat with those guys, and see what becomes of it.
Okay, man, so we're trying to just put together a general outline today. We've done outlines where we really kind of like tell a story, whether it's about like a person or about a company.
But I would say, as well versed in our history as anyone. So we could definitely go through that story. That's a pretty cool story.
Cool. Okay. I think that's perfect. We'll start to put an outline together tomorrow morning.
Cool. Sounds good, guys. I look forward to seeing those couple emails, and then yeah, we'll talk on the 7th. I'm equally amped up for this. I think it's gonna be fun. All right, so that was fun. Talked to the guys at Duramax Tuner. Gonna get a podcast rolling when we get back from Gatlinburg. So in the meantime, now we're gonna film another video.
That hat fits you much better than it does Jared.
I don't like it. I think a black one would fit much better. An actual nice felt hat. Not this. I'm either gonna buy a nice black felt one or I'm gonna buy a resistol one. One of the two. I haven't decided. Bunch of cowboys! We're gonna take this big girl out and shoot some content. But first, I forgot my sunglasses, so we're gonna go grab those. All right, we got them. Good secured.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Come on, Jared, let's go. What do you mean you're not ready?
I'm just kidding.
Bro.
We got some Ram Ranch stuff to do. Or chest and pride or anything like that. But when you know
all right. Ha! 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 Ah! All right, I'm less short now. We've talked about doing a truck giveaway for literally ever, and there was always a roadblock, there was always a hurdle, there was always something that was in our way. Everything about this thing has been a literal pain in the ass, but to see it all come together is super cool because not only is it a really dope truck build, but also this is gonna be the first of hopefully many of the next chapter of giveaways here for Custom Offsets. So I'm super excited. It's been a combination of every single person involved, and we couldn't be happier to bring it to you guys today. So we're just sitting in the truck here. Got the old feet hanging out.
Stickers?
Yeah, they're just swinging.
I have to buy a splitter for $10.
I need the keys, Dad.
Keys are in it.
Okay, anything else?
If it starts leaning to one side, come back.
Okay. Hi.
I'm vlogging. Wow.
Damn, there's four-wheelers, there's media vans, there's Diddy Lawson trucks, there's SEMA trucks, there's all sorts of cool stuff here. All right, here goes nothing, I guess. Let's jump in the truck, see what happens. Hey, Dusty.
What's up?
We're vlogging.
All right.
We're doing a thing.
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, if you want to, sure.
Huh?
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm pulling that truck in. Now this thing's a f*** out of there?
Yeah.
Can you stop swearing? You're on COTV.
Yeah, you're on COTV right now.
This thing's not that big.
Yeah, we're Horn blows, does the driver?
Why does your horn sound so light?
I'm sorry, what? I can't hear you over 650 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, we gotta go, goodbye!
Does he need gas?
Everyone needs fuel. We need fuel, media van needs fuel. This guy's in the way. We're at the old Quick Trip though. Shout out to Quick Trip for being the real OG, you know?
True.
This is probably the first vehicle that I've ever pumped fuel in that the pump actually goes up and not down. It's pretty intense. Like, that's at my shoulder for reference. It's pretty wild. Top her off here a little bit. Let's go shoot some content.
Yeah, look at the shit we do for the content. Yeah. He's about to go skydiving in a skydive harness.
The best part is it's a harness and then it's literally a chain, like a log chain. It's wild.
What are we thinking?
I like this thing. It doesn't drive as bad as I thought. It's big, right? But it's not like K350, I think drove well for what it was, and this really doesn't feel that much bigger. No, it rides good. It drives good. It's got plenty of power yet, despite turning 42s, which is insane. So, yeah, I like it. Here?
Yeah, do you think you make the height?
Let's find out.
Let's record this.
Oh, I am.
Oh, he is. 8'2", there's no way.
Max height 8'2".
You ever played limbo with a truck before?
We make it? No?
Oh, maybe.
Oh, you're gonna make it. Are we?
No.
You're good.
No.
No. Keep playing.
Yeah, you're good.
You're good. There's no shark fin on the back, is there?
No.
Hold on. Let me. Should I get out?
Yeah, or just stand on the running board.
Quarter of an inch. Back there.
Oh my god.
Lawson, tell me what you think about the fact that that truck right there
Lawson wants that truck.
is basically the same as that truck right there.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's called CustomOffsets.com. Wheels, tires, suspension.
Performance
bumpers.
parts, bumpers, lighting.
Yeah.
We're at Inception here, so right now you have Dusty right here, right? Taking photos of Jared taking video, or photos of Ryan taking video of Lawson wiping the truck down. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 times cameraception right now. And then Trace, of course, is back here. He's kind of vibing. He's just hanging out, you know. It's cool.
Super photoception.
Let me see if I can I see that? I don't think I can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks super dope. Put in work?
Trying.
You're getting her done, huh?
Doing some.
Looking good, brother. Get in there with your hips.
I'm in here with my head.
No, you're not.
When I did, you did.
You gotta really thrust it, bro.
I was.
I don't believe you. Throw it, or should I just like...
Action.
This 2017 Super Duty and $20,000 cash could be yours. Oh, hey guys, you could win this 2017 Super Duty and $20,000 cash.
Let's go. 2, 1, action. Imagine buying a t-shirt and winning a SEMA truck.
Well,
Imagine dropping all your cash on the floor, you dumbass.
Was this thing not locked?
There's no lock.
Full SEMA truck.
I can't.
2 for 2, baby.
Yikes. Don't f it up this time,
This is
okay?
like take 47, all right?
Don't f it up this time. I need to
Full
clean
SEMA
this screen.
truck and 20.
Ew.
There you go, that's better.
What do you think of the truck?
Neat.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna get Xander in the truck. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, hang on.
You open it. I can't grab have any.
Come on, get up in there. Get up in there now.
You know, that was easy.
All right, so that's enough for today. We just wrapped up. We're gonna go back to the office here. Got a little work left to do. So yeah, I'm gonna hop up in the truck here. We're gonna take off and go from there. This is how close I am to losing my Guys, so we're back in the office here. Got a couple of emails and stuff to take care of here before we call her at night. So we're gonna go get set up, take care of that stuff, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so that is another day in the life of someone at Custom Offsets. If you guys enjoyed this video, let us know down in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you and see if you guys want us to do more of this vlog style content. And with that, be sure to like the video, share it with a friend or two, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep making the awesome Custom Offsets content that you guys have come to love from us. Peace.